Well, hello there, YouTube. Welcome to the 3rd of October. Definitely not all sunny and shiny this morning, but I think they're talking about thunderstorms today. We'll see what happens. See little patches of blue here and there. That's cool. All right, let's start off a new day. Wow. Rear end came apart on that BMW. You know, I don't think I ever discussed the nice turn signals. Oh, this guy in front of him. The Ford was hiding the Honda. But I never discussed the reassembly of that K2X water boxer motor. It was actually a dream. I mean, there's definitely rules you gotta follow, but there was nothing confusing. It was pretty just straightforward. You absolutely have to follow the rules, mind you. You use air or a manual. Air is our manual, and go step by step by step. As long as you do that, you're golden. The icy companies must be having a corporate party today. I see balloons and hear music playing, all kinds of stuff. The old K2X.
Where tool kits, like part of a set.
This is the old overhead valve tappet lock nut. Camshaft is down there. Finally come off. Well, we got the K2X air oil cooled boxer. Got her all the way down. Nothing much to that thing. Procedures are different and whatnot with the with that engine than the water boxer. But all kind of pretty much the same thing. Same basic design. Looks like the icy people had their big shindig. It's all over now. At one point when I was taking a break, there's, good Lord, I don't know, there must have been 100 people out there. They've already taken the tables and balloons and all their little festivity stuff down. Probably one of those corporate parties or something. That's a nice little walk. See, Katie's sticking with the GS now. She's down. Measuring everything. That's a lot of pieces out of that old K2X, isn't it? Dang. Well, that's it for the day. We're probably 90% back together with the K2X motor. Man, there was way more modules on that thing. Measuring stuff. Oh man. I don't have long enough video to even discuss all the things we went through with that one. Way more stuff. Which is cool. So I need to top this thing off with gas, and got to get everything, because I got to get up at the crack of old dark early in the morning, because when I leave the hotel tomorrow, I'm checking out, because when I get out of class, I've got a flight taking me out of here to back to Portland, Oregon, where the little woman's gonna be waiting at the airport for me to arrive. Got myself some gasoline. Can't believe I burned $37 worth of fuel out of this stupid thing. I didn't even go anywhere. This thing flat guzzles the gas. Gonna go to Denny's to have something to eat. I don't want to go buy any other supplies, so I'm just gonna go have a bite to eat, and I'm gonna walk. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me. How about that? Alright. Shows it's supposed to rain in about 80 minutes. So I need to not let this last too terribly long. And I want to try to make somewhat of a light video, because I need to get to bed early, because I get up early. So we'll see how well I do that. I just seen a rabbit go scooting in there. Weird rabbits out here in the city, but that's cool. Oh, the hustle and bustle of city traffic. All the peeps trying to get home. Made it back to the old Denny's once again. See if I can find something different besides the American Grand Slam. Or maybe not, who knows. I sure like that thing. Okay, I caved and went for the All-American Slam once again. A good old cup of coffee. That's some tasty stuff. Good old Denny's for the win again. That was very, very good. Shockingly, of all things, a log truck just passed me. What would a log truck be doing out here? There's no trees to cut. Looks like they sell some fancy stuff in there. So I didn't look to see when the chance of rain is coming, see if it updated, but there's a clear skies looking west. It's kind of cool. You know, even though it's a half an hour past sunset, that's still a pretty good glow going off down there on the west side, isn't it? Might as well give you guys a shot of the old reflecting pond here, because about this time tomorrow I'm gonna be long gone. I'm gonna be heading home to mama and all the chaos of the mutts and the cold rainy weather. Might as well give you one last shot of this goofy thing. Won't be seeing her again for a bit. I know I drive you guys plumb nuts with this thing. It's very peaceful for me. I don't know, just something about it. It's just overwhelmingly relaxing. If you live around here, you should come walk around this thing sometime. Just something weird about it. Whew, there goes that wind. Poor old iPhone, she don't like that wind very much. And now that this thing records in stereo, it's kind of hard to come up with a good windsock for it. Well, I reckon that'll be enough of this for tonight. We'll see you next time, old water slide, goofy looking thing. Lovely old olive trees with your funky but very pleasing smell. Sprinklers trying to mist you every time you come out here. It's all crazy. Got the old marble ball all sorted out here, because that's quite a few consecutive days it's been running. She was kind of hit and miss when I first got here. It's going really slow though. I don't think it takes much. I think that's about the speed it normally goes though. It's kind of wild. That thing's like a spaceship, isn't it? Alright, well here's a night view about the same darkness as what the Hero 7 black last night. See how the old iPhone 10 compares to that. Alright, let's call up the old mama on FaceTime and see what she's up to. About to get ran over by a car. He's backing in. Alright, we'll talk to you guys here in a bit. Well, hello there, YouTube. Welcome to the last long distance goodbye for just a little bit.
I know.
But the next one's gonna be really short. It's a short class, and it's that crazy diagnostic, like test your skills class is what it is. It's gonna be scary.
Yeah, that's not fun.
Yeah, bad enough tomorrow I have, gotta finish up that motor, which should be easy, and then testing.
You did great.
Yeah,
You're so smart, hubby.
I just don't like test.
Sit
me down and ask me a bunch of questions. Just don't put some test and play games with me. The tests that BRP and BMW give you are games. It's tricks. It's all tricks. So, drives me nuts.
I would like lose my cookies over
Yeah.
that.
But anyway, I'll be seeing you tomorrow night, Jack.
Yes, cannot wait.
Yeah, me either. I mean, I cannot wait. I'm so glad to get the heck out of here.
I know it feels like it's been gone a month.
I know. I don't care if it pours down rain for the next month at home. It's just not here.
I know.
Man. Is that Sashi in there?
Yes.
You hear that sound?
I was hoping you guys didn't hear it.
That's Sashi in the bathroom. She thinks she's gonna like make herself a bed in the linoleum floor in there.
There is no blanket in there.
Luckily, she doesn't in a way so light. She doesn't hurt anything, you know.
No, she doesn't scratch anything.
God,
she's like going nowhere.
Yeah, we've had dogs do that before, like in carpet or something like that, and just shred.
Oh yeah, they'll just pull it up.
Oh yeah. But it's funny, she makes so much noise, and you're thinking, oh my God, she's tearing the bathroom floor up. You don't even know where she's doing it. She's so funny. And
she doesn't have enough weight behind her.
Yeah. And the look on her face when she does it is absolutely the funniest thing. She comes up there on the bed at night and comes up there and goes on the bed. And, you know, she doesn't do anything to the bed either. So, oh, she's a goofy dog. But Mama, did you have a good day at work?
I did. It was a little crazy.
Was it a crazy day?
Yes.
Yeah, sometimes you have those.
I know it.
But Mama, I need to try to keep this kind of light because I need to get this done. Everything's got to be packed and ready to go. I got to get up early. I got to check out of the hotel and all that stuff.
Gotcha.
So
Alrighty.
I apologize to you guys, but we will make this a quick goodbye.
Alrighty. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up, and you guys have a wonderful Thursday or Friday.
Heck yeah. So we're going to start off at school, and then we're going to travel back until the point we meet that little woman right there.
Yes.
And then we got an hour and a half or whatever drive.
Yeah, and then an hour and a half drive.
Yeah, we're down in Portland, Oregon, where the airport's at. We got to go all the way back home.
Yep.
Oh, whoa! I pushed that's what I get for fiddling around with stuff. I pushed that the release button and dropped myself about a foot. All right, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
You guys take care.
And you'll see her and I together tomorrow as well. So
yes.
all right, see you then.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye now.